Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Seka Susanti with NPM 2241110 for management class 22B. Here I will explain about two men's tests. Man with night test. The man-Whitney test is a non-parametric statistical method used to compare two independent groups in samples that are not normally distributed. This test is also known as the Wilkinson man-Whitney test. The main aim is to find out whether there are significant differences between the two groups. The process involves ranking the data from both groups, which is then used to calculate the U-value test statistic. The U-value is then compared with the critical value of the U distribution to determine whether the difference between groups are statistically significant. The mean-Whitney test is usually chosen when the data does not meet the assumption of a normal distribution or when the data scale is ordinal. These tests can be used in a variety of fields such as social science, medicine, and economics, where data often do not meet parametric assumptions. The man with NIO test assess with her two sample groups are likely to come from the same population and essentially X do test two populations have the same shape in terms of their data. In other words, we want evidence of whether the group is drawn from population with different levels of the variable of interest. Therefore, the hypothesis in the man-Whitney test is the null hypothesis HO is that the two populations are equal. The alternative hypothesis H1 is that the two populations are not equal. Some researchers interpret this as comparing the median between two populations. In contrast, parametric tests compare the means between two independent groups. In certain situations where the data are shaped similarly, see assumption this is valid, but it should be noted that the medians are not actually involved in the cancellation of the man-Whitney test statistic. Two groups could have the same median and be significantly different according to the man-Whitney test. 1. To use the man-Whitney test, non-parametric tests sometimes referred to as distribution-free tests are used when you assume the data in your population of interest does not have a normal distribution. You can think of the man-Whitney test as analogous to the unpaired student test which you use when assuming your two populations are normally distributed, as defined by their means and standard deviation, the parameters of the distribution. The man-Whitney test formula is as follows: U sama dengan R1 dikurang N1 dikali N1 tambah 1 dibagi 2. U is the man-Whitney test statistic. R is the number of rank in the first sample. N1 is the free sample size. Note that this calculation can be more complete depending on the implementation or software used. The formula generally involves ranking the data and calculating the statistic. However, manually implementing the formula can be complete. It is better to use statistical software to calculate the man-Whitney test easily. The man-Whitney test is a non-parametric method used to compare two independent groups in a small sample. This method can be used to test whether there are significant differences between two groups on non-normal variables. General step of the man-Whitney test. Organize data, combine data from both groups. Sorting data, sort data from smallest to largest. Ranking, give each piece of data a rank regardless of the group it comes from. Cancellation a statistical test, calculate a statistical test value based on ranking. Determining significance, determine whether the used statistic test value is statistically significant by comparing it to the critical value from the bandwidth or distribution table or by using a statistical test. Man-width test assumptions. Some key assumptions for the man-width test are detailed below. The variable being compared between the two groups must be continuous. It can take any number within a range, for example, age, weight, height, or heart rate. Because the test is based on ranking observation in each group. Data are assumed to take a normal or squared distribution. If your data is normally distributed, an unpaired student test should be used to compare the two groups. Although the data in both groups is not considered normal, the data in both groups is assumed to have a similar shape. The data must be two independent samples chosen at random, meaning the group have no relationship to each other. If samples are paired, you get two measurements from the same group of participants. Then, a paired sample test should be used. A sufficient sample size is required for a valid test, usually more than 5 observations in each group. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.